That was wonderful. Thank you so much for that. And how exactly can we get good mental health?
अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज को मैनेज करना आपकी सोच से ज़्यादा आसान है. We all can do it. Every day and with simple activities that help us feel better and equip us to cope with life. हम बहुत तरीकों से अपना ख्याल रख सकते हैं. Let's look at some of them, some tips for good mental health. Now remember that some of these tips might be harder for you, but easier for others. But why not give it a try to see what suits you best? सबसे पहले मेंटल हेल्थ को एक प्रायोरिटी बनाइए and promise to focus on it every single day. You have to decide why it's your priority. You have to be watchful and mindful with yourself and with those around you. My first tip will be sleep well and eat better. अच्छी नींद लेना is one of the best ways to maintain good mental health. Sleeping well rests your mind and body. Unless circumstances don't permit it, try to sleep well. भले ही ये कहने में आसान लगे, करने में काफी मुश्किल है. If you're not feeling sleepy at night, sleep during morning. Aim for small goals. Take power naps. Tip 2 will be, can you remember the last meal you had? एक अच्छी और न्यूट्रिशियस मील खाना भी काफी जरूरी है. Whenever you can, remember to eat in small portions or large portions. It doesn't matter. Third, and an important one, will be moving your body and exercising. रोज 20-25 मिनट के लिए ही सही. Or even sitting in a quiet green place and getting enough sunlight. And these things sound small, but they make huge impact. Relaxing by listening to music or some other way to relieve stress is also an option. उन लोगों के आसपास रहे जो आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, आपकी केयर करते हैं और आपको चीयर करते हो. उनके आसपास रहे जो आपको you can be authentic self in front of them. It is important to be with people with whom you can be yourself. Set small goals and reflect on their progress. Rome was not built in a day. A quick word of caution. हम कभी नशे और सब्सटेंस यूज करते हैं to cope up with these situations, these mental health concerns. Avoid using drugs and alcohol to cope up with difficult feelings. This is not just about right or wrong. ये आपकी आदत बन जाएगी और आपकी फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए हार्मफुल होगा. Using this to cope up with your problems every day is not what you want in the longer run. Also, it does not solve the root cause. So avoid this. अगर आप cope up नहीं कर पाते, that's fine. Notice this about yourself without blaming or beating yourself up. Think and reflect about the fact that if you would say this to your best friend or someone else, अपने साथ काइंड रहे और अपनी फीलिंग्स को समझे. If you are not, no one will. अपने लिए सद्भावना या एम्पैथी होनी चाहिए. Being understanding and kind to yourself is good for your mental health. उसमें सबसे important अपनी फीलिंग्स के बारे में अवेयर होना है. Many of us will know when we are upset but not sure what we are feeling, and that's okay. Is it sadness, fear, shame, loneliness, anger or something else? हम हर वक्त नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि हम वैसा क्यों फील कर रहे हैं. It often helps to give our feelings our attention without judging them. हो सकता है कि ये करना strange और uncomfortable लगे, but practice and patience with ourselves will help. Being open to the world and all its possibilities is the most important of all the steps. आप एक जर्नल लिखकर भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं, जहां आप उन चीजों को नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं जो आप आगे करने की सोच रहे हैं, जो गोल्स है. Journaling can help tremendously in taking a step forward towards good mental health. I know that it's a lot. But taking just one step, a starting step, will help.
Absolutely true.